Across northern Nigeria, a quiet yet relentless war is being waged against the environment. Forests are stripped for timber, wildlife is hunted for trade, and the earth is torn apart for minerals. In the shadows of armed violence, these acts of survival and greed feed one another, deepening poverty, fueling insecurity, and driving nature into retreat. In Borno State, wildlife crime thrives where governance has collapsed. Terrorists in the Sambisa forest freely hunt wild animals, particularly warthogs, for ivory. Coerced locals are forced to smuggle these animals into Maiduguri, where they are sold in underground markets. The proceeds from this trade bankroll terrorism, sustaining the destruction it feeds. Across Taraba and Adamawa, drought and shrinking farmland push youths deeper into the forest. Once farmers, they now cut rosewood and other valuable timber to sell to traders who move it across borders, often under the protection of militias or corrupt officials. Each felled tree buys a meal, but costs the region its future. The forests are disappearing faster than they can recover. For displaced communities, the cycle takes another form. Those who fled violence now rely on firewood to cook, sell, and survive. The same forests they once farmed for food are now their only source of income, an environmental tragedy driven by necessity. Meanwhile, in Zamfara, illegal gold mining remains deeply entangled with violence. Locals dig with crude tools for survival, while criminal groups extort or force them into labor. The same pattern plays out in parts of Borno, where jobless young men turn to mining out of desperation. These mines pollute rivers, destroy farmlands, and fund the same insecurity that created them. The connection between conflict and environmental collapse is undeniable. Where nature is exploited to sustain war, peace becomes impossible to rebuild. Protecting the environment during conflict is not an afterthought. It is the foundation for recovery and survival.